What's up everyone and welcome to my channel Keeping Up with Atul. I was not in mood to post any episode this week due to lack of content, which is due to my busy hectic weekend, and I clearly blame the New York's unpredictable weather. Like seriously, we get rain every weekend. Please spare us. Anyway, after much debate of posting vlog, I decided to give you guys this small vlog of going out to eat and receiving my new iPhone case with tripod, which I was very anxious and excited, and I wanted to share it with you guys, or should I say show it off to you guys. So this is going to be a very small and random vlog. It's better than nothing, or in this case nothing would have been better. I guess my channel name is Keeping Up with Me, so here is something for you guys to see what I'm up to. If you're new here, I'm Atul. I post videos on travel, food, and lifestyle. I'm an event planner. I plan weddings, birthdays, and baby showers, and corporate events. Each week, I post videos of my wonderful and sometimes challenging part of my weekend life, showcasing traveling to places and trying new things. And I share them with you here on my YouTube channel. Guys, welcome to my channel, Keeping Up with Atul. Good morning. It's another rainy and cold weekend in New York. I just woke up and I have this song in my head that I want to listen while I have Saturday morning breakfast. Finally, towards the end of the day, rain stopped and sun was up for an hour. We'll take that. We decided to go out for late lunch and early dinner. I have been craving for sweet potato fries. So, for the best one I tried in the city, which comes with a caramel sauce. I love sweet and savory. You get the best of the both worlds. Okay, I'm not gonna go to the city and get stuck. So we're going to this place in Long Island called Addie's Barbecue. Their food is good, but do try their cheesy melty garlic bread. It is to die for. It's like putting salty cotton candy in your mouth and it just dissolves. I ordered this pina colada lassi. It was sounded so interesting and it tastes really good. It's still good. I've been thinking of this sweet potato fries for a while. It's so good. How's it?
Wings? It's okay. Fries? Yeah, it's good.
Sweet potato is good. Bread's so good. I just received this package. It has my iPhone 15 Pro Max's case with tripod, which is a different kind of tripod. It's very slim. It will be stuck with my phone. Although I bought this MagSafe clear case from Apple, I wanted to use that because I do need tripod every time I'm going to use my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So let's open up and see how it is. When it comes to packaging, unpacking, I'm very anxious and I just rip it off. So here are the first. I am excited about the So nice. Oh, I could put it like this. Could go like this. And it's very slim. Alright, it's time for the case. Feels so good. And of course, check it out. What's up, guys? What's up? Alright, I can't wait to use this. Alright guys, so that was my teeny tiny vlog for this week. We're already on the month of November, which means holidays are right around the corner. I hope you stay safe and sound. I'll see you guys very soon on the next episode of Keeping Up with Atul. Until then, peace out everybody.